Okay, how application protocol interact with the end user application? Client server model, the device is requesting the information is a client and the responding is a server. Client and server process are considered to be the application layer. Client initiate the exchange of requesting data, server respond the data. We already know this. Peer-to-peer networks. In the peer-to-peer net model, the data is accessed to the user of the dedicated server. There is no dedicated server. Two or more computer can connect peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer means the both devices are equal. Every connected and device can function as both server and client. The role of the client and server are set as a peer request basis. Okay, these are the peer-to-peer application. For example, you are saying sending some messages, client and server, client and server. I'm saying good night, I'll be there, good night, and send and receive it. So both clients simultaneously initiate a message and receive the message at the same time. Some peer-to-peer applications use a hybrid model. Okay, resource sharing, decentralized indexing. So I think these are already we know. Total services, what we discussed here. Okay, these are the, I think we already know some of the URL which we access every other day. HTTP and HTTPS. And HTML, these are the languages, protocols we can see. HTTP, Cisco, and index HTML, this is server. Okay, this is browser send the get request to the server, IP address. Server send the request to file and client. Index was described with the URL. That's normally HTML, how the HTML works. As we said, in this we are just discussing HTTP is the request response protocol has three common messages: get, post, and put. Is not secured and can be interrupted. So what do you mean by that? If all the messages find an HTTP server, I can intercept that message and I can, see this message as a clear text. And uses authentication encryption to secure data. If we ask you with HTTPS, HTTP is so not secure and HTTPS is secure. SMTP operation, how SMTP operates? Sending mail to the server. Okay, is the recipient is in my list. Forward email to the another server. Okay, this you need the POP or SMTP. SMTP client sends an email to connecting the server on port 25. Server receives the message and store the message in the local mailbox and use the